That is Bill Schultz. Outside Bill is Kenny Whiteman. All right, turn marshals ready. Drivers ready for the A main in the stock truck. Drivers less than 5. And the stock truck class is off. Let's see what they're going to do. Whoa, that's good. Everybody, come on, so we go on 3, go high and 3 and 4. Good. All right, 30 seconds in, we got John Gomez in the lead, followed by Mike Kenny and Will. Fast lap laid down by John Gomez on lap 4 with a 6.67. The only truck out there in the 6s. Mike bringing up second, laying down a 7.21 on lap 2. One down, 3 to go. Young running on his TQ pace. Mike 1 lap behind him. Bill Schultz bringing up 3rd. $130 down, $230 to go. A main stock truck. Halfway point on the A main for the stock truck. John Gomez still holding on the lead. Mike in second, Bill in third, Kenny in 4th. Alrighty, out of 3 vehicles out there, we've got John in the lead. He's in the 6s. We got Mike in second. He's running in the 7s. And we got Bill in 3rd. He's running in the 8s. John Gomez now is 1 lap ahead of the TQ pace, setting around 1. 1 minute to go, 1 to go. If you can make the move, now's the time to do it. The yellow light is on. And as the timer clicks away, running order hasn't changed. 30 seconds to go, 30 to go. If you're going to make your move, now's the time to do it. Bill spins it out here in 3 and 4. The leader goes wide to avoid it. The leader going down in front of the driver's stand, going to 1 and 2, coming down the back straightaway with 5 seconds to go.
The race is over.
When you cross, you will be done. Bill, you're done. Mike, done. John, done. Righty, John takes it with 34 laps at 4:01. He just does beat his TQ. Mike coming in second with 30 laps, and Bill with 24. Next up is your novice A-main. Next up is novice A-main.